Good morning to all of you. In today's lecture, we are going to learn next process of the sample preparation, that is etching process. In this lecture, we are going to learn etching process. In etching process, there are again two techniques. One is immersion techniques and second one is swabbing techniques. So, what is the concept of etching process? Etching, it is a process, it is done on the sample or specimen after the polishing operation. Okay? Means in this process some chemical reagents are applied on the surface of the specimen in order to study the given microstructure of metal or alloy under the microscope. In some cases, the surface of the specimen is subjected to chemical reagents. Now, in etching process is done by using immersion technique and swabbing technique. Immersion technique and swabbing technique. So, we are discussing here immersion technique. So, in immersion technique, the chemicals reagents is taken or reagent is taken in a container or dish, then the specimen is agitated completely and deep into the reagents without touching the bottom surface of that container or dish. Okay. Then after particular period of time, when the bright or luster surface are start to dull, then after desired degree of darkness, the specimen get removed from that region and washed with with water to stop the etching action of etchants. Okay. After that, the specimen is rinsed with ethyl, then methyl, phosphoric alcohol, okay, to remove the water droplet from the surface of that specimen. And now after that, this specimen is ready for microscopic examination at a given magnification. Okay. Then the specimen sometimes get overetched. Okay. If you know the behavior or you don't know the behavior of the etchants, then in that case under etching is better as compared to over etching. Okay. If over etching is occur, then you have to again repolish the surface of that specimen. Okay. And after that, you have to again etching process should be done on the surface of the specimen over a short period of time. Okay. So, to avoid it, sometimes under etching is better option. Okay. This is immersion technique that is used for etching process. Now we are going to learn the second techniques, that is swabbing techniques. Swabbing technique. This technique is similar to immersion technique, only in swabbing technique soft cotton cloth are used for swabbing the surface of that specimen. Then the progress of this etching process is observed while swabbing of that specimen. Okay, and whatever the time required for this swabbing techniques or swabbing or etching process, it's depend on which type of metal we are going to be etched. Okay, generally the time taken for etching process is vary from few seconds to 30 minutes. This is all about the etching process that are done after polishing operation, and after etching process the specimen is completely ready to microscopic examination, which is done under the microscope. In next lecture we are going to learn types of the etchants that are used for etching process. Thank you.